digthegoodlife.com, and today's video is going to be a fun one box challenge. This video collab is hosted by Michelle over at My Everyday Wife Life. Check out her channel. I will put the link to her videos down in the description. And check out the other videos going on today in this collab and see what some other YouTubers are decluttering and donating. So I'm gonna show you me just a few minutes ago spending a little time in my home decor. I have an antique Hoosier cabinet, and it's basically probably my favorite piece of furniture in our house, and I use the bottom shelving for home decor, you know, and vases go on the top, and one of the little compartments we keep the kids' Play-Doh in, so it's definitely a multi-purpose, well-loved piece of furniture. But anyway, I was able to scrounge up a box of things to declutter and move out of the house. I was surprised. I actually decluttered the Hoosier cabinet, I mean, just a few months ago, and I got rid of a ton of things. So I was surprised to be able to find this much, but you know, how we thrifters do, we bring it in and take it out and bring it in some more, so there's always something that can go out, I guess. So I'm going to show you that footage of me going through the cabinet and looking at the different items and show you what ended up in this box. A couple things I probably will try to sell on eBay. I think I'll probably try to sell this plate. It's this funny little bathing child. This was my grandmother's, and I thought it was really cute for a long time, and I think I had it in a bathroom. And at some point I asked my husband if he liked it, and he was like, no, I do not like it. And I was like, you know, it is kind of weird. It's not really my taste anymore, so I'm going to let that go. But I'm going to see if I can sell it on eBay, because somebody else might collect that type of thing. And if you have some items that you would like to try to sell on eBay, but you have never sold anything on eBay, or it seems overwhelming, check out a video that I made last year, and I think it's called 3 eBay tips for, something like 3 eBay tips I learned by trial and error. I have sold a lot of things on eBay, some antiques, some vintage items, clothing, shoes, books, all kinds of things. And this video is not like a comprehensive, like, step-by-step guide to selling on eBay, but there are several tips that I've learned along the way that you might not think about when you're starting out, and that I learned by making lots of mistakes. And so I will put that video down in the description, and I'll probably try to link it up in the card so you can click it up in the top of the screen if you're interested in watching that. This, I've kind of not wanted to get rid of it just because I really like the artist a lot. This is a beautiful cow print on this like box canvas home decor kind of piece. And this is by Mary Gregory, and I actually went down to Atlanta, Georgia, probably 8-9 years ago to their, I can't remember what it was called, the Southern Living something. And it was like a convention, or it's like a fair, really, with booths outdoors, with all kinds of crafts and home decor and beautiful artistry. And anyway, she was there, and I bought this, and I've since followed her on social media for quite a long time and kept up with her, and her art is beautiful. So go check out Mary Gregory if you kind of like that a little bit impressionistic, natural animals and nature kind of painting. You would really like her stuff. So anyway, here's my box. Thank you again to Michelle for hosting this collab, and I will show you what's in the box. So I had gone through the house, and I was able to find a few things here and there. a triangle, and some beads I was using just as decor, a pottery bowl, little picture frame, a little wooden, it's like an artist form, and those little shelves that are hexagons, I guess. I enjoyed those for a year or two, and I'm kind of tired of them, so I'm going to let somebody else enjoy them. And then I was ready to look in the Hoosier cabinet and see if there's anything I could part with in there. I've recently cleaned this out, so there wasn't a lot, but there's usually something that can go. So there was that little child dish, and there's the Mary Gregory piece of art, which, like I said, I really like her art, but I have not found myself feeling like that box really fits anywhere, and I just don't like the way it looks sitting out, so I haven't been using it. So that tells me that it's time to pass it on. And then that big basket, I like to keep like the smaller things, the loose items in there. And I have a lot of like bunting, banners. There I'm parting with some driftwood candle holders that I don't really use, some little Thanksgiving knickknacks, a linen placemat, that little rag pumpkin there. My mom made that, isn't that cute? I'm keeping that, Mom. She wouldn't care. She would probably want it back, but she's with me on the decluttering front. She's also been decluttering her house, so I show her my boxes and she shows me hers, and sometimes we take each other's clutter. It's fun. Oh, okay, so back in it goes, and that was kind of nice. It's a little bit lighter. Room for another thrifting treasure. You never know. So anywho, a whole box full of things to donate and or sell. I call that a success. So thanks again, Michelle, for putting this collaboration together. I enjoyed participating, and I'm looking forward to watching some of y'all's videos. I hope everyone is having a really good week and has a wonderful weekend. And if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe if you enjoy my content. I put up videos and I write blog posts all about homeschooling, homemaking, and mothering, and I would appreciate having you here. I'll see you in my next video.